Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jas Nicole and I'm here with another video. So first off, Happy New Year. Welcome to 2021. It feels so weird saying that because I feel like we're still in 2020, but we are in a new year. Really excited to be in this year. I have so much planned for this new upcoming year. But before we get into all of that and why I'm doing this video, make sure to go ahead and subscribe to my channel and click the push notification button so you can see when I upload my next video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you all my digital vision board as well as some of my January monthly goals. In the past, I've made like New Year's resolutions, and for some reason, like I will start off strong in the first couple of weeks of the new year, and then I would just completely drop off and that's it. And then I would feel so guilty and so mad at myself because I didn't accomplish, my resolutions. So I decided this year to do a vision board to kind of hold me accountable for the goals that I have created for 2021. So for me, the vision board is like the end goal. So on December 31st, 2021, the vision board is essentially like all of the things that I want to accomplish by then. But then my like monthly January goals is just specific things that I want to do in the month of January to help me progress to meeting the big goals that I have set for myself for the entire year. So without further ado, let us go ahead and get started. I'm going to be reading off my laptop, but I am going to put a picture of the digital vision board up on the screen so you all can kind of follow along with me. When I started creating my goals and thinking of the things that I wanted to accomplish in the new year, I wanted it to center around one word, and so for me that word was growth. And so I have that at the top of my vision board in big letters. And essentially I feel like 2020 taught me a lot of things, and now I want to take what I've learned from the past year and apply it to this new year and really see some growth in all aspects of my life. So I consider myself a follower of Christ, and I am learning that I have to trust in what God has planned for me and what God does in my life. I have a picture of a Bible, and so I'm doing the Bible in 1 year plan along with some of my girlfriends, and so I'm really excited to read the Bible from like front to back basically, and then I'm also hoping to get more involved with my home church. I didn't get the opportunity to do that last year, and so I'm hoping that there are some opportunities for me to get involved. There's a picture of a salad and some dumbbells, and I really want to kind of focus in on some wellness. And for me, that is taking care of my body. And so not only am I taking care of my body spiritually, but I also need to take care of it physically. And so that kind of falls under the wellness category. And honestly, I have kind of let myself go when it comes to eating and working out over the past year, and it's okay. We were in a very unusual time, and still kind of are, but now I feel like I have the means and the time to be able to get myself together so that way I can take care of my body. The crazy thing is that in past years, I've always had this New Year's resolution of like working out, losing weight, eating healthier. And I think what's different about this year is that I'm not so much focusing on, oh, I have to make this like complete 180 of eating and complete 180 of working out. I'm just trying to find small ways to incorporate, healthy eating and physical activity into my daily life. So in the middle, big and just there for you to see, is a picture that says mental health is health. And that is something that it took me a long time to actually take care of my mental health. I want to focus this year on being more consistent in seeing my therapist. I do see a therapist every couple of weeks. I'm really making it my mission to at least talk to my therapist twice a month, and I am a firm believer in talking to someone even if there is like absolutely nothing going on. There's nothing wrong with talking with someone. Sometimes you just need to like let some things out. So down on the bottom you see some pictures of natural hair, and then also the word confidence. And so I'm really trying to build my confidence in being able to do natural hair. I mean, most of my channel is about natural hair, and I want to continue to try out some different styles. So I'm really hoping to try out some like perm rods on my hair, and then also just focusing on some hair growth. But in order for me to do those, I feel like I have to build that confidence in myself and know that I can do it. I've done twist outs, I've done braid outs, and now it's like, okay, you can do it, Jasmine. Like, have confidence in yourself to be able to do those things. I was put on this earth for a reason, and me shying away from doing, you know, different things is not, no, we're not doing that in 2021. We are going to be showing up and showing out and letting everyone know that Jas Nicole is here. So sliding on over, we have a picture of a Toyota Highlander and a Kia Telluride. My goal is by the end of the year to get a new car. So I've had my car for a couple of years, and she, you know, she gets me from point A to point B, but I'm really hoping to kind of upgrade to a new car, and those two are like my final contenders that I really love. I love SUVs, so I want to get a 2021 car, so that way I can keep that for the next like 5 to 10 years. So after the car pieces, I do have consistency above that, and that was originally going to be my word for 2021, but it just, I don't know, it just wasn't sitting right with me. But I did want to add it into my vision board as a reminder of, you know, in all things that you do, remain consistent. That's how you're going to see results. That's how you're going to see that growth. So of course it wouldn't be a vision board without some type of financial goal. So I actually have a couple, but I'm really hoping to pay off some credit card debt. So I'm actually going to do a video about that, about starting my debt-free journey with credit cards, and so be on the lookout for that. Also want to focus on saving some money. So those are kind of some of my financial goals that I have. And then of course the last couple of things is talking about just my work, both my 9-to-5 job as well as like, you know, content creation and being an influencer or being an aspiring influencer. I'm really hoping that I can grow my channel. I'm hoping by the end of the year that I have 500 subscribers. So if you aren't subscribed to my channel and you're watching this video and you made it this far, go ahead and subscribe. I also want to grow my Instagram. Instagram is so hard because the algorithm changes and does its own little, you know, crazy thing, but I'm hoping to see some growth on my Instagram platform. And then I'm also hoping that I secure some brand deals, like some sponsorships, like working with some brands. That is some things that I want to accomplish this year. I have a couple of brands in mind that I want to work with and reach out to, so I'm really excited about that. And then of course I have some like work-life balance. I do tend to associate being a hard worker with like doing too much work, and that's not necessarily the case. I have to remind myself that, you know, I do work a 9-to-5 full-time job, and then also, you know, doing content creation after that. That's a lot, and so I want to make sure that I am taking the time to balance out all of the things that I'm doing in my life so that I don't get burnt out. One of my favorite influencers, her name is Kidsthetic on YouTube. She also did a digital vision board, and she talks about putting it, you know, as her like wallpaper on her computer. So I definitely am going to be doing that, just so it's like a daily reminder to myself of like, these are the things you're working towards, these are the things that you want to accomplish. So, you know, seeing that daily reminder, I feel like will help keep me accountable. So that is my vision board. Now I just have like a little flyer for my January 2021 goals. I don't even want to call them goals because I feel like it makes it seem like I have like 30,000 goals. These are the things that I want to do, so like my to-do list essentially for January. So I'm really excited to get started on them. I feel like these are very doable, and the great thing about it is that if I feel like I didn't necessarily meet one of these to-do list items, then I can just kind of push it into the next month. There's nothing saying that I have to like finish this by January 31st. Let me know down in the comments what is like one goal or one thing that you want to do or accomplish this year. It could be anything, no matter how big or small. I hope you all enjoyed watching me talk about my vision board and some of my goals and things that I want to accomplish for 2021. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below, and subscribe to my channel so you can see when I upload some more videos. Thank you all for watching. Until next time, bye.